Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can change your name on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, you will open your Revolut app or website, and then of course, you will have to log into your account. And by the way, make sure that Revolut is available for your country so that you will actually be able to log in or create an account. Then you will tap profile icon and then select settings and pick personal details. Then you will tap full name and then you will enter your new legal name. Upload supporting documents such as passport, driver's license, and so on if prompted. Tap submit and then Revolut will review changes. Name update will reflect once verified. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.